Do you ever had an idea about creating a mobile app, but you have just ignored it because you don't know to code? Then you have just not let a beautiful service to be used by millions of people around the globe. Not knowing to code isn't a problem these days, especially while we have alternatives like MIT App Inventor 2. MIT App Inventor 2 is a great website that is helping thousands of people to create amazing apps for free. All you have to do is just learn and understand this platform and its features properly. You can create apps like emotion recognizer, photo editor, a location detector, fitness apps, and a wide range of games. The possibility is endless, but it surely depends on the knowledge that you have. I have been using App Inventor 2 for more than 2 years, and I have created an educational app, a counter app, and a beautiful translator app about which I have also created a course. So, if you are finding someone to guide you for using App Inventor 2, then following my course is one of the best options. You just need to spend 4 hours per week to build a translator app within a month when you follow this course. You will get a certificate on course completion, and for any reason, if you don't like this course, then you can claim a 100% refund within 30 days. So just dive into the beautiful journey right now by clicking the enroll button. And before leaving, have a look at the course goals to know about the topics that will be covered in this course.